In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your own voice in HeyGen. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create a HeyGen account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to try HeyGen completely for free. Now, if you want to use this AI voice, which is going to be a cloned voice, of course, of yours, you will have to upgrade to one of their plans. So you have your pricing plans over here, and you'll have to upgrade in case you want to actually create a custom clone voice. So just make sure you know that before we start this video. Now, once you have your account over here, you want to click on AI voice here on the left. And then once you do this, click on create new voice up top where you can see this blue button. Once you click this, you can either generate a voice or instant voice cloning, which is going to be basically instantaneously cloning your voice from an audio file or recording. So you should just simply click on here. And then it says, I'm aware recordings of my voice will be used by HeyGen to create and use a synthetic version of my voice. Confirm that and click on upload audio file. And then on here, you will just simply have to basically upload an audio or video file. So it says for best results, you have to upload a sample that is around 2 minutes long, okay? So it says it's important that your audio is very clear, and then of course there's pauses between sentences, etc. So they recommend using a smartphone or professional mic to record in a quiet setting for best results. So after you do this, you should just basically find something, a recording of yours where you are speaking, and it should be as good as possible, as I said, to actually make it as accurate as possible. So let me show you how this is done. I'm just gonna pop in one of my videos over here. It's just one of my tutorials, and then you should click on you can do keep ambient sounds in my recording if you want that, but of course you can just leave this unchecked if you don't want to. After that, click on create voice clone, and then it's going to say we're creating your voice clone. Please do not close or refresh this window while your voice is being uploaded, okay? So once you do this, you'll just have to wait. It takes upwards from like a few seconds to a few minutes, and once that's done, you've successfully created your cloned voice inside HeyGen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.